Give me 10 seconds and I'll show you how to make this poster in 3 clicks, something that would normally take about 30 minutes to design. All you need to do is copy and paste this prompt. You can use the prompt as it is or you can use it as a reference. Check the comments to use the prompt and always remember that you can always make it better and more personalized in Photoshop. For example, this is the final result for the prompt, and as you see, it has some problems. Right here we have many ways to fix the problem. I chose the fast and easiest one, so from the toolbar I'm going to take my remove tool, make sure that the image layer is activated, and I'm gonna fix the part. And for the next step, I like to do some changes in camera raw filter, so I'm going to open my camera raw filter. I apply my previous setting from this part just like this and pressing OK. So let's take a look at the before and after. Before, after, before, after. That's it guys, make sure to use this prompt and check the comment section right below. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.